Okay, in this video, I want to talk to you about barriers or barrier gates. Okay, so you see here, I have a X gate, I have a Hadamard gate, and then a Y gate, right? But what if I wanted to segment or section off or put these gates on this circuit, but have it organized in the way that you can have your gates organized and sectioned off into different parts, is you could have this thing called a barrier or use barrier gates. You see these lines right here in the middle of these two gates here, these little segmented lines. These are barrier gates, okay, right here. So what you do is, let me show you how I did this. Let's erase that. So let's say you start off with an X gate here on the first line. You start off with a Hadamard gate, right? What you could do is you could separate the gates that you put here by putting a barrier gate, which is almost like a fence. And you could put those here, right? It's like a fence or like a wall. And you could have this right here on this side of the barrier. And then you could put something over here. Let's say you want, on the other side, you want a Hadamard here, and you want a T gate here. Well, if I was doing algorithms, or if I was putting gates here on this circuit line, I could separate, if I chose to, I could separate having gates on this side, having a barrier here, and then putting gates on this side just to organize what it is that I'm doing. That's basically what these barrier gates are for, is to separate and to segment and to just organize what it is that you're doing on the circuits, so that it's more cleaner and it's more like I said, that's the best way I can put it, just more organized and more formatted. Okay, but that's it for this video, showing you how to use barrier gates. And this right here is a barrier gate. See, I sectioned it off again. Okay, thank you.